Okay, we're back. We're in orbit. I have 836 delta V left to get me to the station. Alright, I've got a maneuver node set up right here to take me from this way to this way. That is going to cost us 631 out of our 836. So it'll leave us 205 delta V after that to get us back to the station. And I think that'll be enough. You know what? I'm going to write that down because I don't want to forget what it is. Where's my pen? 836. And we'll find out how much delta V we have when we get back. This is going to be a big long burn, 41 seconds long. And we won't bore you with that. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to pause it for a bit, and we will see you after the burn. Okay, we are in a nice orbit here, equatorial plus. I have got an encounter with the space station, a rendezvous way up here. I went ahead and wasted a little bit of delta V. That's okay. I had 200 or so to spare, well, to use up, and I'm using up. Well, when we get done with the rendezvous, I'm going to have around about 60 delta V left, which that's not much to spare. That's enough for a little bit of maneuvering, but nothing else. And as you see, I have to catch up with the space station. He's way up here ahead of me. So in order to do that, I have reduced my periaps way down here. And we're going to catch him on our way back out. And we're going to come within 0.1 kilometer. That's 100 meters. But our speed difference will be 67.1 milliseconds, meters per second. And that means that's where all of my delta V is going to go into. So that should be pretty good. So let's go ahead. I'm not even going to bother to pause it, except I will notice before I speed it up here, it's going to be a night side docking. So we're going to be docking in the dark, and I'm glad that everybody's got lights. So let's speed it up a little bit. This video is only 3 minutes into it, 3.5 minutes into it. So when they start to get real close, I'm going to slow it down. And that's probably good enough right there. Okay. There they are, 7 kilometers out. So we've got our target screen selected here. We're going to go to target retrograde, zoom, and when he is down to just about 300 or 200 kilometers, I'm going to go ahead and hit the thrust and kill off our 68 meters per second of speed. And then that'll match speeds with this guy, and that'll be our rendezvous. So let's speed it up. I'll bet you he's going to shoot across that side of the screen. Yeah. Get ready. There it is. there's our rendezvous. I'm very happy with that. We can kill the rest of it with, there we go, with the RCS. And that is how one does a rendezvous. So now we're not in the nighttime yet, but we're about to be, probably before I get over there and dock. Looks like this guy right there. Can I get a lock on him? Yeah, come on, set him. There he is. Set that guy as target. Boom. And let's head on over. Okay, so I am going to pause this for a second because the rest is just a docking. I'll let you know, bring it back when we get close, okay? I'm also going to jump over to the other guy, turn on some lights. Wow. You know, maybe we can do this. Maybe we can do it. When we get really close, we're coming in at a very bad angle here. So, that's not a good and happy thing. Let's slow it down. Killer speed down to 0 again. Now, I want to, I have to find out which controls do what now. That's that way, so gotta rotate. Oh, there we go into the dark. Good. We've got a few minutes here. Nope, this way. This way. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and we've got to do that as well. I'm gonna turn my lights on. That's good. His lights are already on. Good. So I still want to keep coming sideways to him. And with the miracle of our computers keeping us pointed right at him, now if I don't do this right, I would go zooming right by. But a little bit. I still don't quite like the angle, and oh my, we're going a little too fast. So let's zoom over a little bit. This is how I eyeball it. Okay. Inwards. How's that gonna be? We're still at a bit of an angle here. Let me over. Whoa. Cap locks for slow it down. Uh-oh. Well, he's gonna dock anyway. But not at the angle I wanted. The magnetism will take over. Come on. You can do it. Let's turn that off. There he is. Okay, and that's how we do a docking. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I forgot to check and see how much Delta V we had left after the rendezvous. I'll tell you what, I know what it was. It was roughly about 60 Delta V. So now his lights are on. We've got to refuel him. And that anomaly number 4 will forevermore remain the wow anomaly. Well, let's check that out on the yeah, it says wow. There it is, right down there. That was something. So that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4 anomalies with flags planted right on them. You know, after doing that one, and that one was so easy, maybe we're going to do this one next. But that is an anomaly for another video. At some point, I've got to upload these. Now that we've got a flag on it, we can always go visit it, by the way. If we go into the tracking station and pick flags, you can jump right to it and see it anytime you want. Of course, it'll be very lonely, just a flag on an anomaly. Alright, Ben. Our mission is going well so far. We're actually almost past halfway. Anyway, until next time, this has been only 12 minutes long, so until the next video, I'll see you later. And as Scott Manley would say, fly safe.